I want to say a very big thank you to those of you that took your time, to wish me happy birthday yesterday. Hey, guys, I appreciate all. You guys made my day, and my confession is this. See, I've never had a very beautiful birthday like this very one I had yesterday. You guys were out for me like with full chest. I appreciate you. I really, really appreciate from my heart, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. You guys came through for me in many ways. Oh my God. The gifts are massive. Is it money? Oh, yeah. Is it gift? Oh, you guys supported me, especially you supported my work, this work that I'm doing right now. So many of you supported by buying me some gadgets. Thank you so much. Don't worry, video is coming up. I'm going to make a video and thank each and every one of you individually. Maybe I might not call your names, but when you see the stuff you buy for me, you go know say now you buy it. Thank you so much, guys. So let's get right into today's business. It's normal in news that they are closing Nigerian shops in Ghana. Yeah, I posted a video yesterday about it, and I think it's going to last for 3 days. They've started on Monday, today Tuesday, and I think it's going to end tomorrow, God's willing. I do not know, I'm not really sure, but they said it's a 3-day thing. All right, so now the news has gotten to us that people who do not have the right papers to own a shop in Ghana, it's not just Nigerians though, but other foreigners who do not have papers that qualify them to own a shop in Ghana, their shops are going to be closed down. Yeah, so that's exactly what is going on right now in Ghana. It's not just Nigerians, but other foreigners also. So for those of you saying Nigerians, it's not just Nigerians, all foreigners in Ghana. Yes, and it's a law in Ghana that has been there. It's not something new. But the thing is that one thing leads to another. All I will say is that now Nigerians cause all this trouble. Yes, this very fake Igbo king. Yeah, this fake Igbo king is the cause of this problem. He did not come out and challenge Ghanaians. Nothing of this nature would happen. Yeah. Ghanaians allow you to come to Ghana and look for what will help you. Just come, okay, do business, look for food. Now wait till you go chop, and you guys took it for granted. Now nobody will save you from all these things happening. When I get mouth, and those people that all these things will affect, they're not the ones blabbing and shouting, making noise in the internet though. But my problem with you guys, that you are very aware. Yes, you guys are very aware that what those people are doing online is going to affect you, or you underestimated who Ghanaians are. Right now you are seeing it for yourself, because I was expecting you to come out and keep camera in your front, tell them to stop what they are doing, because let me just say, you guys underestimated Ghanaians. But now as you can see what is happening, and nobody's gonna save you guys from all of this. Yeah, nobody's gonna save you guys. But then guys, I think I've spoken too much. Okay, let's get right into the video in order for you to have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. Let's watch, and I'll be right back.
Madam, don't talk to me this way. Madam, if you are my wife now, I call you, I put in problem. If you are my wife now, I call you, I put in problem.
Yes, because come and tell us. You cannot use your mouth to tell us. Bring us papers. What shows? Then we can, yes. Then we take it from there.
Tell me what you want.
All right, my people, everywhere, good. Aww. So, like I told you, that Abosokai's pepper shop, looking foreign national shop yesterday. The exercise was good. Until this stubborn Nigerian he-goat, who was trying to give difficult times to the chairman of Abosokai. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want, and I can give you. Mr. Nigerian Bolabet, do you think Ghana is for sale? That is how you people have been manipulating the system. And you said a small Ghana. We can buy Ghana. We can buy Ghana. Not under my watch as Nyash president. Not under my watch as Nyash president. Because Nyash president, yesterday, I was there. And I did not come to field and watch the video as I was in the office of the task force. And I am telling you, you said the shop belongs to your wife. So you came all the way from Nigeria to Salome, and a woman is feeding you. And after that, you people will be shouting, we came here with money, we are investing in the economy. Not knowing your wife is the one taking care of you. You are a useless man. Without fear, without hesitating, per your words, you are a useless man. What can you do if you tell me? You are very, very useless man. Now your wife open shop and you are there as a caretaker. You are a useless man. As a nice president, I am telling you, you are a very, very, very useless man. And let me tell you, today, the exercise will still carry on. Wednesday is going to be the last day, and the Nyash president, I will be on the streets. And I was not going to tell me what happened to the slap. As he was doing, what happened to Dirty Bossa? What happened? Wednesday, I'll be there. And if you are a man and you carry balls, let me see this nonsense again.
Photo.
Let me see this buffoonery attitude again. And I'll tell you and I'll show you I'm the Nyash president. As I was there yesterday, all my securities were around. I was so kind. Just to slack. And Kokompe, get ready. And I'm still talking to my Kumasi people magazine. Start preparing because the Nyash president, I am coming to Kumasi. And as I'm here, if you joke, I'll be leaving Ghana. Because South African women want to come and marry me. Ghanaian women want to come and marry me. Ghanaian women want to come and marry me. American women want to come and marry me. But I say, for the love of the country, let me do the work. So if you want to move yourself in Ghana here, I'll be leaving very soon. What is this? Do the work. See. Power to the Nyash. Useless Ghanaian women, take care. We'll be coming. We'll be coming after you.
This man doesn't look like somebody who get paper. He doesn't look like somebody who get paper. And in they talk anyhow, to the extent he went far by asking them that what do they want. He didn't say Ghana is like Nigeria, that if you ask what do you want, then you go just pay bribe, you go give small money, then they go. This is not what they are talking about though. When they say A na A, uncle, I can beat my chest and say, you, that shop does not belong to your wife. That shop does not belong to your wife. So you marry a Ghanaian woman so that you can be hiding under the umbrella of, okay, the shop belongs to my wife, Abi. Okay, they don't catch you. Unless you are a boy. Do you know what boy is? Sales boy. Unless you are a boy, then we go no say, now your wife, they feed you. Yes, according to what the guy said. Now your wife, they feed you. If not so, then let us know. These people know they hear what though. Guys, now waiting they happen be that for Accra now. Yes, even inside scene in hand they soak inside scene. But this man still they argue with the chair lady. That lady is the one in charge oh. But in they argue with her, tell her say the shop belongs to his wife. This man in they meant it. All these things what una they do, all this bele what una they do. Your cup don't full. Yes, your cup don't full. Nobody go listen to una again. But then, guys, I think I've spoken too much. Now the room is open for you to let me know what you think about this very video in the comment section. Do well to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there I believe they will watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye bye.